This lesson is the first part of 3 parts on real numbers, order, and absolute value. This part of the lesson is just going to focus on the first part, which are the types of real numbers. The question that we're going to answer during this lesson is, what are the sets of real numbers? I'm just going to talk you through the different kinds of sets of real numbers that exist because we have talked about this already in class. We've talked about natural numbers and whole numbers. The difference between a natural number and a whole number is that the whole number includes the number 0 that you can see in that list. Then you've got your integers, which are your negatives, 0, and positives. And then we've got the rational and irrational numbers. So a rational number is any number that we can write as a fraction. So even a whole number, such as 3, could be written as 3 divided by 1. So if you look here at set notation, we would read that as the set of all numbers x, such that x is a quotient of 2 integers. So an irrational number can't be written as a fraction. So for example, the square root of 2 would be an irrational number, or the number pi is an irrational number. And then real numbers is the set of all numbers x, such that x can be represented by a point on the number line. So the real numbers are the most general of all the numbers. Okay, so we're going to break the real numbers down into rational or irrational numbers. Then within your rational numbers, you've got natural, whole, integers, and then your rational. So if I work on the inside out, natural numbers are also whole numbers. Your whole numbers are part of your integers, and your integers are part of your rational numbers. Okay, so let's just look at 2 quick examples of ones that may show up in your homework. What is a whole number larger than 4.3? A whole number larger than 4.3 could be 5. Might be 6, might be 7. There's plenty of whole numbers larger than 4.3. An irrational number between the square root of 13 and square root of 15. That would be the square root of 14. So those are just 2 examples of questions that you may see in your homework.